Hello to my viewers. My maths presentation today is about integration of trigonometric functions. This topic is under Calculus 2, and this maths is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So I have here number 1, integral of cosine squared x dx. Let us recall our trigonometric function. So note cosine squared x is equal to 1 plus cosine 2x over 2. Okay, so I need to replace cosine squared by 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. So this will be integral of circle brackets 1 plus cosine 2x over 2 dx. Okay, so to erase this one. Okay, so this will be 1 over 2 integral of dx, then distribute, plus 1 over 2 cosine 2x dx. Now, in here, so assume that this is my u, 2x. Then du will be 2 dx. Divide 2 both sides. 2 will be crossed out, so I have du over 2 is equals to dx. So this one will be 1 over 2 integral of dx is x. Then this will be plus 1 over 2 integral of cosine. What is 2x? U. Then what is dx? Du over 2. So this will be 1 over 2 x plus 1 over 2. I need to replace outside of the integration. This will be multiply 1 over 2 integral of cosine u du. Sorry, I will erase at the top. So this will be 1 over 2 x plus multiply numerators and denominators. So this will be 1 over 4 integral of cosine u du. So recall our formulas in integration. So we have integral of cosine u du is equal to sine u plus c, while integral of sine u du is equals to negative cosine u plus c. So this will be 1 over 2 x plus 1 over 4. So integral of cosine u is sine u plus c. So this will be 1 over 2x plus 1 over 4. What is u? U is 2x. So this will be sine 2x plus c. That's my answer, and that's all.